To mandate or not mandate vaccines inside Florida's nursing homes and assisted living facilities. It's a controversial question Contact 5 investigator Katie LaGrone first posed months ago.
Tonight, she explains why time may be running out for long-term care facilities to give their residents and staff the choice.
It's a move most of Florida's long-term care centers haven't wanted to make. But with low numbers of vaccinated staff posing high risk of infections to residents, more nursing homes and assisted living facilities are now finding themselves ready to require the shot, according to the state's top assisted living association.
Some of our communities, they still want to mandate vaccines for staff and residents.
And earlier this week, a provision quietly added to the state's emergency management bill could give them the push they need to do it. If approved, healthcare providers, including long-term care facilities, would be exempt from the governor's so-called ban on vaccine passports. In other words, facilities will be able to decide for themselves if vaccination proof is necessary and if mandated vaccines become the new rule inside.
There's some communities who see the vaccine and it's a good thing, and they want to protect that bubble. They want to keep every defense, every shield in place.
Are we at the point now where you feel like we really have to go there?
I believe that we do.
Advocate Mary Daniels made headlines last year when she took a job as a dishwasher just so she could see her husband after the virus forced long-term care facilities to shut down to visitors. With COVID infection rates among staff now surpassing positive residents at times, she believes facilities are inching closer to losing the option to give its people the choice.
I believe that there are people like me who say, I'm not going to do business with a company that's not going to allow me in based on the decisions they've made with their staff. And I think that will be the driving force.
Some long-term care centers are still limiting or shutting down visitation if there's a positive case.
If I'm running the building, I should probably get it, right?
Yes, please.
We don't believe in making it mandatory and forcing the vaccine on people.
With 18 locations around the state, Grand Villa assisted living facilities have shared with us its struggle to get more staff vaccinated. Despite incentives, including gift cards, prizes, and bonuses, roughly 70% have yet to roll up their sleeves. But any talk of imposing their own mandates.
We just don't believe that that's the right thing to do.
Low pay and high employee turnover remain an industry-wide problem, and a top reason facilities have frowned on forcing shots. That is, as long as they can afford to offer the choice.
You're in this industry because you care and you want to take care of this elderly population. Then you can't do that without the vaccine.
Katie LaGrone, WPTV News Channel 5.